I'm going to show you how you can use leftover taco ingredients to make taco cups. This is using all vegan ingredients too. So first I start off with my tortillas, cut them into fours, and then I have my already greased cupcake pan. I used olive oil in the bottom, and you just insert your triangle squares into the taco cups. So my meat is already prepared, but this is the vegan meat that I used. I add a little cumin, a little total seasoning, a teeny bit of water, and some shredded cheese, and wait till that melted down. And this is my leftover meat and my leftover taco rice. So I'm going to add the rice first to the cups, then add the taco meat on top, and that's pretty much it. You just continue the same process with all of your taco cups. Then you pop that in the oven, which I'm using a toaster oven / air fryer, and I put it in the air fryer for about 10 minutes because everything's already cooked. And for my bev, which I'm going to make in time while my tacos are cooking, just some sliced ginger, a little peeled lime, and then we're going to slice that up too and pop it in the water, fresh water, for about 10 to 15 minutes until it starts to boil. We're doing this while my tacos are cooking. So I'm going to add some honey. You can add sugar to this as well. You don't have to add sugar or honey. You can also let it cool and use it as iced tea. So my tacos are done. I'm taking them out of the air fryer. Little crispy edges. So I'm going to use some lactate-free sour cream for these today. Top that off. Ooh. Then I'm using some taco sauce, and we're going to put that on top of the tacos as well. You can add extra cheese too if you'd like, but I didn't. And this is the final results. Not a good angle.